Today we are going to be solving this equation on the natural numbers that appeared in the Brazilian Math Olympiad. I believe that's how you say this. I remember because I did this one in the test, but I actually couldn't. I was so nervous that I just was not able to solve it, but it has a very interesting way that it unfolds. So 10 over 7 is equal to A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. Let's start by making this a little bit easier and multiplying this equation, this fraction by C over C. So 10 over 7, it's equal to A plus C over C times B, it's just BC, plus 1 over C times C is just 1. So we basically have everything that we need. Let me just 10 over 7, 10 being bigger than 7, this would be, since this is a fraction and an integer, and this can be divided as a fraction and an integer, it's going to make sense to try. So 10 is equal to 3 plus 7, so this is going to be equal to 3 over 7 plus 1 being equal to A plus C over BC plus 1. Okay, so it's kind of evident where everything lines up. We have a fraction plus an integer. This is a fraction plus an integer. So A, we can basically assume that A is equal to 1. But now for this part, if we assume that this and this are the same, or since they are similar, they probably are going to be working with each other to be equal. So 3 over 7 is equal to C over BC plus 1. So BC plus 1, to make this work, BC plus 1 has to be equal to 7. And C has to be equal to 3. If C is equal to 3, we assume that C is equal to 3, and BC plus 1 equals 7, we can bring this one to the other side. BC is equal to 6. Since C we assume to be 3 because this number 3, B can't be any other number than 2. So yeah, this is basically it. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C equals to 3. It's now that I'm doing this, it seems so evident how easy this question is, but it really isn't. It looks very intimidating because it has this complex fraction, but after you break it down and start analyzing bit by bit, you can see that it can't be anything else but this. And when you have a test and A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3, it scares you a little bit. But it surprisingly isn't. It's actually kind of simple, and that's the fun of it. So yeah, that's it.